fucking up a check and my clothing options is crazy. They say my region barely breathing. Haters say we won't make it. I want the shit, I'ma take it. I flaunt the shit if I got it. We bout it.
Word, that's my word. Man, I swear to God, nigga, that's my word. Put it on my mind, nigga, that's my word. Always on the job, nigga, that's my word. That's my word. That's my word. Man, I swear to God, nigga, that's my word. Put it on my mind, nigga, that's my word. Always on the job, nigga, that's my word. That's my word.
And I be like, fuck it, rolling up sativa, looking down on all you little niggas that's beneath us. The way a nigga do it, no, there's no way you could teach this. Schmop life, nigga go crazy on the feature. Yeah, and I smoke the best reefer, chiefin'. Everywhere I go like it's legal, steezin'. We are not the ordinary people, so please approach me with respect if I meet you. No competition, I can beat you. You niggas see through, and that's why I don't fuck with y'all. All my niggas solid on the job, and we just focus on getting that cake, taking no breaks. Fuck with the real, we don't fuck with no fake. I'm tucked some more baked, and I'm plotting on cake. Nigga, you don't know you gon' learn.